The Fisherman and His Wife. Once upon a time, there lived a poor fisherman and his wife. They lived together in a small, dirty hut near the sea. Every day, the fisherman went down to the shore to fish. He would sit by the water for hours, patiently waiting for a bite. One day, while he was fishing, he caught a very large fish. As he was about to pull it out of the water, the fish spoke. "Please let me go," said the fish. "I'm not an ordinary fish. I'm an enchanted prince." The fisherman was surprised, but kind-hearted. He said, "If you can speak, you must be special. I will not harm you." So he gently put the fish back into the sea and returned home with empty hands. When he reached the hut, his wife asked, "Did you catch anything today?" "No," said the fisherman. "I caught a magical fish, but I let it go." His wife became angry. "You foolish man," she cried. "You should have asked the fish for something. Go back at once and ask for a better house." Though he felt ashamed, the fisherman returned to the sea. The water was no longer clear. It was green and cloudy. He called out, "Fish, fish in the sea, come to me, I beg of thee." The fish appeared and asked, "What does your wife want?" "She wants a better house," said the fisherman. "Go home," said the fish. "She will have it." When the fisherman returned, the hut was gone. In its place stood a small, clean cottage. His wife was pleased, but not for long. The next day she said, "A cottage is not enough. Go back and ask for a castle." Again, the fisherman went to the sea. Now the water was dark and moving restlessly. The fish appeared once more and granted the wish. At home, a grand castle stood where the cottage had been. Soon the wife wanted more. She wanted to be a queen, then an empress, then even more. Each time the fisherman returned to the sea, which grew darker, wilder, and more frightening. The waves roared, the sky turned grey. Still the fish granted the wishes. Finally the wife said, "I want to be like God. I want the sun and the moon to rise at my command." The fisherman trembled, but he went to the sea one last time. The water was black, a terrible storm raged. The fish appeared and said quietly, "Go home." When the fisherman returned, the castle was gone. In its place stood the old dirty hut again. And there they lived, poor as before.